Hello everyone, now we are going to discuss the next topic, that is effect of gyroscopic couple on naval ship. We have completed the topic gyroscopic couple effect on the aircraft turning. Now we will discuss about the gyroscopic effect on the turning of naval ship. First we need to understand the terms regarding ship. So this is the diagram of the rough diagram of the ship. So basically we need to understand the rear end of the ship. I am talking about the front end. Front end of the ship is known as bow. This is known as bow. Okay, and the rear end of the ship, is basically stern. Sometimes directly in the question, in the exam, they will ask you the name of the front end of the ship and the rear end of the ship. So you need to know that this is known as stern. This is stern, and the front end is bow. Now, what is the left and right side? This is the left side of the ship. This is the left side, and this is the right. This is the right side, and this is engine. Okay, so when looking from the stern side, that means when looking from the rear end, the right hand side of the ship is known as starboard. When looking from the stern side or the rear end, looking from stern side, the right hand side of the ship, right hand side of the ship is known as what? Starboard. And left hand side of the ship, this is the theoretical questions generally they ask in the examinations. This is the starboard, and this is port. This is starboard and this is port. Okay, but looking from the stern side, this is important. When looking from the rear end, you can see the left hand side is known as port, and right hand side of the ship is considered as starboard. Now we will consider the effect of the gyroscopic couple, and the magnitude, you all know that C is equal to I omega omega P. So now we are considering the effect. So the case is view from the rear end. We are considering the case view from the rear end. Rear end is also known as stern. Okay, and the second condition is that engine rotate anti-clockwise. Engine rotate anti-clockwise. So now, first case I am going to consider left turn, then we will consider right turn. Left turn. Again, you need to understand. See, looking from the rear end, that means it is the view. It is the direction of view. Okay, when you're looking from the rear end and you see, look at me. I'm going to explain you. This is the rear end. Basically, this is the rear end, and this is the front end of the ship. This is the rear end, and this is the front end of the ship. Okay, this is the front end of the ship, and this is rear end. Now, what is the condition? Engine rotate anti-clockwise. So see here, engine rotate anti-clockwise means this is the direction of rotation. This is the direction of rotation of engine, anti-clockwise. And what is the turn? That is left turn. Left turn means this is the ship, and shift is going to turn left side. Left side means this side means it will rotate like that. That means here, because we are looking from the rear end, so ship will try to turn like that. Okay, because ship is going to turn on the left side. Are you getting my point? So this is the left turn. So I'm going to show you here. This is the initial and this is the final position. Okay. So we know that this is the left turn of the ship. Okay. So that means this would be the active gyroscopic couple and this would be the reactive gyroscopic couple. And this would be the reactive gyroscopic couple, and we know that effect is decided by the reactive gyroscopic couple. So that means this would be the situation. This would be the situation means what is this? Bow will move down. Bow will move down. Bow will move down because we are looking from the rear end. Bow will move down and the stern will move upward. So this would be the active gyroscopic couple. And this would be the reactive gyroscopic couple. Okay. So according to the situations, the effect would be bow will move up, bow will move down, bow will move down. This is how you have to decide the effect. And stern will move up. Okay. Now in the second case, when the ship takes right turn and the given condition are same. Given condition is looking from the rear end, that is stern side, this is the view direction, and the engine rotates anti-clockwise. So see here, this is the situations. Okay, I'm looking from the rear end. This is the rear end, and this is the front end of the ship. Okay, so I'm going to say that the ship turn right. Ship turns right. Right means what is the right of the ship? This is the right of the ship. Okay, this is left and this is right of the ship. Okay, because we are on the rear end side. So this is the right turn of the ship. So that means this would be the position. This would be the position. This would be the position. So if this is the active gyroscopic couple, this would be the reactive gyroscopic couple. And you can see here, bow will move up. Are you getting my point? Again, I'm going to explain. This is I'm looking from the rear end side, and this is the front end of the ship, and this is the rear end of the ship. And engine rotate anti-clockwise like that. Okay, engine rotate anti-clockwise like that, and ship turn right side. That means this is the right side, so it would be like that. Okay, right side. This is the right side. Okay, so if this is the active gyroscopic couple, this would be the reactive gyroscopic couple, and you can see that bow will move up, and stern will move down. I hope you will understand how to find out the effect. Okay, this is the omega final, and this is the omega initial, and this would be the active gyroscopic couple, and this would be the reactive gyroscopic couple. Remember again one thing, that effect will be decided by the reactive gyroscopic couple, or you can say the effect is the reactive gyroscopic couple. Okay, so what is the effect? Effect is bow will move up, bow will move up, and stern will move down. Stern will move down. Okay, so this is the effect. We will do the questions on this. You will be able to understand what is the effect and how we can find out the effect of the turning of the ships. Okay, so I hope you will understand this whole procedure.